Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. And let me show you, I have made videos on Matic, DWT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of my targets have been achieved. Told you yesterday that about this graph. You can see here, whenever this graph has increased, the price has decreased. And if we take a look at the net flow, you see here, whenever the net flow increased, you can see the price of Bitcoin has decreased. You can see here. So let me check, is it working or not? Yeah, it's working good. Let me check. So this is the I'm gonna do the price analysis of all the coins. I'm gonna start with the Matic. I have already drawn the levels here. You can see here it has broken down, it has break this level. So I'm gonna draw the level here at this area. It is below the 75017. The next level we would be testing here would be this one. Let me show you guys. You can place your buy orders around this area. This is, guys, on the daily chart. And let me check, do we have any audience? Not right now. So if I go to the BTC USD, let me show you the Bitcoin price here. So let me show you this one. I already predicted yesterday. You see here, just take a look at this one. This was the price prediction. Yesterday I made this prediction, and you can see how this candle almost reacted to this level. If you go to my channel, go to the content, and you can take a look at the videos here. I told you yesterday we will be going down to 29k. And if I show you here BTC, what would be the next target of BTC? I've been telling you guys that 28k is coming very soon. If I go to the weekly area, just take a look at the weekly area of BTC. Just take a look at yourself. This is the swing low candle, and we might be testing this level very soon. I'm gonna delete. No, this is the demand zone, guys. If I draw a rectangle from this area, to this area, this is the level which I think we would be testing very soon. Here, this is the demand zone. You can see here. Why this is the demand zone? Because it has been tested once, 2, 3, okay, 4, and now fourth attempt is here. So this is the area. I'm gonna delete let me delete this one, every price here, so you guys can easily understand. Let me delete this one. So right now I think the price can go down to this area of 27,000 here. Let me readjust it. This is the area here, 27,000. okay, so this is what I think, 27,770, because this is the demand zone. It can go anywhere in between this zone, okay, anywhere in between this zone, because this zone is a demand zone. And BTC behaves, if I go to here, this is the coin market cap. You can see here we saw a huge dump down today, 3.5%, which I predicted 2 days ago. Let me check, do you have anything, any questions? Not yet. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum. Okay, Bitcoin is going down to 27,000. This is what I think. Because we have if we take a look at this zone, this 30,000 zone has been broken here. This is the 30,000 zone which has been broken. Now we are going down, so we might see some wick down to 27,000 as well in the near future. So this is the Bitcoin for you, and now I'm gonna go to the Ethereum for you guys. I'm gonna wrap up the things quickly for you guys so that you can understand. You see here, now just take a look at here. If I go to the daily chart, I made a video about the Ethereum here on this day 3 days ago at this level, when the price was at this level, and you can see here how beautifully it has reacted to my levels which I predicted, 17, 21 and this one. You can see if you go to my, again go to my chart and go to this one, you can see here, see, let me show you this one, sorry, let me show you this one here, 1764, 1721. Just take a look at yourself, just take a look at yourself. 1721, again the same. You see the levels have been tested. Now the next level, it depends on the BTC price. If BTC falls more, then we might see a dump to this level, 1660. This is the next level for Ethereum. This is the main level, guys. Main level, why? Because this area has been tested once, you can see here, 2, 3, 4, many times. This area has been tested many times, so we might see some price going down to this area until and unless BTC shows some retracement, some bullish move. We can't say anything about other altcoins. So this is the Ethereum for you guys. Ethereum is going down to 1660. Okay, now let me check the other BNB. Let's go head over to BNB. Let's take a look at the BNB price prediction. Although the BNB and just take a look at this triangle wedge, guys. Just take a look at this triangular wedge, this wedge. You saw when this wedge broke at this level, this is the confluence point, guys, confluencing point, the area where we have two areas where the horizontal and the diagonal support levels meet. You see that where two or more than 2 points coincide, and this is the area where the strong movement happened. And you see here the price went down. You see the price went down after breaking this wedge, and it went down to this level. Now why at this level? Let me tell you why this level. If you take a look at this swing low candle, we have this as the body of the candle here. This is the demand zone as well. Now just take a look at here, the price came down to this level. Let me draw the another level here as well. Let me make it yellow here and yellow as well. Now we have two levels. You can see here this is the demand zone as well. So this demand zone has also been breached, and now the candle has came down to this level. It went down to this area. Now why it went down to this area? Let me show you why. Let me delete this candle as well, and let me show you this area. We have 1 and 2. You can see the candle is testing this demand zone, and if any candle going down below this area, guys, we might see a retracement down to this level. This is a swing low candle, and if I have to go back to take a look at the levels, which levels can we see more? This is the level. This level can also be tested as well. Here you can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So very important level, guys, very important level, and we are approaching this area as well. So if this candle, which is in formation, if it breaks below or if it closes below, then we would be testing this area. Let me show you this one here, 250, and if it falls below 250, then we would be testing this area here, 233. Okay, just keep that in your mind, 230, 250. So this is the BNB for you, and if it closes above, then we might see some accumulation at this zone and then a move on the upside. Let me take a look. Do we have anyone else? Okay, what range can I enter a short on BTC and Ethereum, please? Thanks for the update always. Why price BTC go down slowly? The volume not good. Okay, first up, BTC, I told you guys that there are fundamentals behind this. If you go to this cryptocoin.com, you see here we have a lot of inflow coming. You can see inflow in the positive. You can see here large amount of inflow, and you can see here this happened in March mid and in the March, and when the price went down sharply, after it went down sharply, and you can see here the price also went down sharply. And the BTC is making, is testing the levels which have not been tested. You can see here, if I turn on the weekly charts, you can see here we still have don't have this level been tested. This level has not been tested. Before that, these levels have not been tested. Okay, so usually if we take a look at the technical analysis terms, in perspective of technical analysis, usually the price action test those areas which have not been tested before. Okay, you got it? So that's what I think. Okay, so BTC is going down slowly and steadily. Okay, it is not gonna fall like this one, although it fall, here it fell from 58,000 to almost 29,000 in almost 2 weeks. That was chaos back then, and after that it started to accumulate. The buyers tried to stay above this area of 27 to 28,000. Now they're trying hard, but the things are looking bad right now. These two red candles are looking more on the downside. If we take a look at the volume here, the volume is decreasing as well. If I take a look at the cryptocurrency here, coin market cap, you can see here the volume is increasing at this area. So might be a there might be, you can see, if the volume is increasing due to the downward trend, then we might see some more movement on the downside. It has to be, it is a fight between the buyers and sellers right now. Usually what happens when we see a large amount of volume coming in, it means that downward trend is supported with the volume. Large amount of volume means that we are going down. Okay, but here if we take a look at this, these candles, these bars here, the volume is decreasing, so downward movement is not supported. So this is kind of different and opposite opinions from coin market cap as well as the trading view. So they two are showing opposite sides, but we have to wait for the BTC to react to this area. If it closes above this area, then we might see some retracement up, but more I am 80% I think I'm more of $27,000. I think that this price is going to hit very soon, 27,770, due to this large bearish engulfing candle. So that is the BTC. And right now, if you want to short, it would be very risky. It would be very risky. Why? Because we don't have any confirmation yet. We need this candle to close. We need this candle to get close, because if you place a short order, we might see some strong movement on the upside. You can see here on the downside, the volume is increasing on the daily candle. So we might see some movement from the buyers as well. So we need confirmation, guys. Without confirmation, it's pure gambling. We can't say anything about that. Okay, without confirmation, it's a gamble. Yes, you can place a buy orders, because in terms of spot, it's a good buying area. All the altcoins, you can see here, if we take a look at here watch list, you can see all the market is red. You can see here everything is red, so you can place your buy orders anywhere and just hold. Okay, that's it. Do you have anything else why the volume is not good? Okay, if we take a look at the what I was checking here, let me take a look. Cardano, let's take a look at the Cardano ADA. Do we have anything special on the ADA Cardano? So these are the levels, and guys, just take a look at yourself, guys, how perfectly it bounced off from this level. This is not the first time I have predicted accurately. You can see here this area has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, and now the fifth time this area has been tested, guys. And if we take a look, this is a very strong point, very strong area, very strong support. But I wonder if we break this, this support level, then next level we would be testing would be this one here. This is what I think. We might see a movement down to this level of 0.84. You can see here 82 to approximately this area here, 84. So if guys, just keep it in your mind that, and let me show you here as well, this is another level as well. We might see some movement down to this area as well. So I'm gonna draw the level here and this one. Okay, this level could also be possible. This level is also possible. So this is Cardano. Okay, so keep an eye on these levels, 0.95 and this level. Simple phenomena, simple sense, just common sense. If this level gets broken, okay, if this level gets broken, then we would be testing this one. If this level, if this candle stays above the level of 1.0, then we might see a retracement back to this area here, this one, that is, let me reconfirm it here, then we might see some retracement back to 1.15. okay, and on the downside we have this level as the, come on man, fuck this shit. Okay, we have this level 0.95 and 0.8482. okay, this is the Cardano for you. I'm just testing out all an XRP. Now let's take a look at the XRP USDT pair. Let's take a look at this one. What do we have here? Okay, XRP is in a very bad condition right now, and all these levels have been drawn few days ago. Now here is the thing guys, 0.48 is our next level. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, all these price levels. These levels are going to be tested next. Here we have this one, okay, 0.50. that would be extremely cheap guys, that would be extremely cheap, 0.50. and if we go back, if I delete this one, we have this area as a strong support. So I'm gonna turn on the price here as well, this area. So guys, this is the area I'm looking forward to, 0.50, 0.47. this is the area where I'm going to place my buy orders for the XRP. Do you have anything else? What about TLM guys? TLM man, TLM. What what can I tell you, man? I will predict it. Just hold on. Please check Dash. I short from point entry price at 126. Okay, Dash. Let's take a look at the Dash coin as well. Sorry, the Dash USDT pair. Sorry, not this one. I'm gonna test out this one here. Okay, I'm going to turn off the volume here. Okay, 136 you said. Okay, you shot it from this area. Okay, what do we have here? Let me find out the area. Here we have this one, 154. We have this area. Okay, now this is the area of support. Okay, this is the resistance area for now. If I tell you this one here, this is the resistance for the Dash coin. Okay, just keep an eye on this level. If we go above, you said you shorted from the level 136. So if price reaches above 146 or 153, you just need to close your trade if you have shorted from 136, because this is the resistance. But if this resistance gets broken, then we would be going upward, and that would liquidate your short. And the next up we have here, if I take a look at this one, we have multiple areas. I need to look for the We have this zone as well. I'm gonna mark this zone. Let me find out this one here. This one. We have this zone. We have this zone. And also I'm gonna mark just let me find out a perfect entry here. Yeah, this can also be taken into account. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so for now we have, let me add this as well. There are so many points, guys, so many points. Okay, so dash coin here, this is the sport zone. Okay, this is the sport zone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a rectangle here. Now 104, okay, 104 to 114 is the support level for the dash coin. It is the support level for the dash coin. 104 114. Okay, this is the support. If this area gets broken, okay, if this candle closes below the area of 104, then we would be going down. But if it closes above 114, then we might see some retracement back to move on the upside. That would be this area. This is the swing high candle. We might see some retracement up to this area here. So that would be this one, 131. Let me draw this area here. So if this candle stays above 114, then we might see some movement to 131. Okay, so I think that's a good amount of short you did there. 136. What about the TLM? Okay, let's take a look at the TLM. Let's take a look at the TLM, my lord. TLM. This coin has been in the trend for so many days, but again you see the price tried to break the level. If we can't break this level, we are not going down, we're not going up. You see, the price tried to break this level, but unfortunately large amount of supply caused the price to dump, and that happened. You can see here, let me show you what I want to tell you here. Let me show you this one, guys. Just keep an eye on this level. If this level gets broken 0.2541 in the future, then we would be going on the upside. Otherwise, if any candle staying below 0.25, we would not be going on the upside. Simple theory. And right now everything is going down, all the altcoins are going down. So right now TLM is going down as well, but on the downside we have this as the support level. I'm gonna mark this one as the support level, 0.11 to this area, 1179. This would be our support area. Okay, do you have any questions? Please let me know. So XRP has been predicted as well. Now we have Dogecoin. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin now. Let's take a look at the Dogecoin. What do we have here, guys? Just take a look at this one. Just take a look at yourself. Dogecoin, you can see here how perfectly it is following this downward channel. You can see, and this is the point of confluence where it was reacted to or retraced from this area of 0.15973. Just take a look at here, guys. This is the best area you can buy. 0.15973, guys. This is cheaply as you get. But Dogecoin is a manipulated coin. I won't suggest you, but if this area gets broken, guys, if this area 0.15973 gets broken, the next target would be, I would be going for 2-hour now. I would be going for 2-hour chart, so you guys can understand the areas. Okay, if this level gets broken, then we might be testing this area. I'm gonna make it bold area here. We would be testing these two lines, these two areas. Okay, I'm gonna go forward. Let's take a look at this level. Let's go to the daily here. Now what would be our next target here? This would be our next target here, 0.14212. This would be our next target if this level gets broken, 0.15973. Okay, if this candle closes below 0.1915973, then we would be going down to 0.14330, 0.12832. Do you have any question with levels you have in TLM? With levels you have in TLM. Okay guys, Dogecoin has been done. Okay, prediction done. Let's take a look at the TLM again. So TLM, okay, let me delete this one. This is the first level which I think the price is gonna react to, 0.1179. This would be our first level, and let me check out this. This could be our second level here. That would be here. That would be the next target, 0.171023. And let me take a look at this one. Let me delete this one, and I'm gonna take a look at the, let me find out the correct, this could be, but this is not a good area. This could be our next target as well. So we have this area, that would be our next target. So these are the levels I'm trying to draw for you. Okay, and this would be the bottom. This would be the absolute bottom here. You can place your buy orders anywhere in between these levels, depends on you, but I would suggest you to stay away from TLM. TLM is not a good coin to invest into. Please stay away from it. Let's take a look at the cake. Cake is a very good coin. Again, it has reached to $11. If we take a look at here, this level has been tested multiple times, so I would make it this one here. So you can place your buy orders here for the cake. Okay, cake is a good buy, very perfect coin. Just place your buy orders around $9 to this area. Okay, $9, that would be perfect buying. $10 as well. I'm gonna make this chart a bit wider for you guys, this one. Okay, so anything is right now, it is still very cheap, guys. This coin is still very cheap. You can see here, just take a look at this level percentage, guys. 355% from this level, and you can still buy cake. That's a very good buy right now. If you want to buy cake, just place your buy orders, buy the cake, and that would and hold your coin. You can stake your pancake on the PancakeSwap platform, and you can get as much as you want. So I think cake is a good buy right now. What happened with the Matic? What happened with the other altcoins? Tell me what happened with, just tell me what happened with the cake. Cake is a very good coin, but what happened with this coin? Why? Because BTC is not stable. BTC is not stable, so everything is not stable as well. You can see what happened with Matic. This, you can see BTC is not behaving good. That's why everything is going down. Every price is going down. Every altcoin is going down. So what do we have next? Polkadot. I also predicted the dot coin few days ago. Let's take a look at the analysis, and you can see here, just take a look again. I'm not gonna tell you. You see, this is the price I predicted few days ago. Again, let me go back and let me tell you here, on 16th of July, what is today? This is 20 July. Let me show you here, 20 July, 16th of July, Polkadot price prediction 10.5, already predicted 4 days ago. And just take a look at this one here, it reacted to this area. And but I told my audience that if price go below 12.5, it's gonna test this area, and it has tested this area. And guys, dot is also a good buy right now. If you want to buy this coin, that is extremely cheap, and it has more use cases than any other coins. Dot, cake, BNB, although the BNB is still overpriced, but these coins, the dot, cake, these coins are extremely cheap, guys, extremely cheap. So do we have anything else in the comment section? Because I'm gonna take a break for now, and after that, do we have anything else? I don't think so. Do we have it? So this is the, and let's take a look at the Uniswap as well. Let me take a look at the USDT on the Binance. So here we have the Uni, and perfectly this area, perfect. Let me check again why it's not picking this. Yeah, this one, guys. Guys, just take a look at this area. It's very important. The support level is broken. You can see here this candle is below the support area. Just keep an eye on this candle for the Uniswap holders. If this candle closes below the area, let me tell you this area, why not, it is picking up the right spot. Yeah, this one, you can see here. Let me show you here, $15. Okay guys, if Uniswap candle, this candle closes below $15, that would not be a good situation for the Uniswap. We would be testing this area. Next up, $13 here. We have this area at the support level, $13, and then we would be testing this area. Clear cut points, guys, clear cut points, no question whatsoever. So these are the levels for the Uniswap. If candle closes below $15, we would be testing $13. Anything going below $13, we would be testing 9.878. So just keep an eye on those levels. Okay, going down, we have BCH, Bitcoin Cash. I'm gonna go for the BCH as well. So do we have here BCH? Here we have BCH coin. Now again, the same situation, the same support area, no need for anything extraordinary. 380, that would be our first support level. 368, that would be second. So anything going below 380 to 368, we would be going down to, sorry, we would be, let me again turn on the price entry here. We would be testing 334, and the next level would be this one again, 297. So these are the levels. Okay, keep an eye on these levels. Anything going below 380 to 368, we would be testing 334 and then 297. So keep an eye on these levels. Okay, no questions we have. Cryptocurrency, guys. Okay, LTC, let's take a look at the LTC coin as well. LTC USDT, what do we have here as well? Again, LTC, we have this area as the support level. Just keep an eye here. This candle, you see, this is the swing high candle, and it reacted to this area. Simple enough. The next level would be this one here, this area. That would be your next entry. So place your buy orders around this area, $94. Okay, that is the next level we are going to test. Now let me show you this one and this area as well. Let me find out for you guys. Okay, simple theory, no. Okay, simple theory. simple common sense, nothing else. Okay. Oh, sorry. So this is the levels. If LTC stays above the level of you see here 104, we will be going on the upward direction, otherwise the price is going down. Okay guys, that would be it. If you have any questions, please let me ask in the comment sections. I will try to predict the price for you guys. I think that's it.